Welcome to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast, where we help you navigate the ins and outs of running your micro and small businesses, providing actionable insights and strategies to thrive. I am Dr. Karen Lowe, founder of Epigram Consulting Services. Please like, subscribe, and share to help us get the word out about building great micro and small businesses. Today, we are diving into a topic that is significant for your business's success: sales. We will talk about sales techniques, effective selling strategies, and how to close deals. I know that sales can seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting. I have heard a million times from entrepreneurs, I am not a salesperson, or I am not good at sales. I am here to break it all down in simple terms so you can start using these strategies right away to grow your business and increase your profitability. My aim is to make it painless.
Let's go.
Let us start with the basics. What exactly are sales techniques and closing deals? So sales techniques are the methods and strategies you use to persuade potential customers to buy your product or service. This can range from how you communicate the benefits of what you're offering, which is my favorite, to how you handle objections and how you build a relationship with your customers. Closing a deal refers to the final step in the sales process, where the customer commits to a purchase. Closing a deal is the moment you have worked towards, the point where all your efforts culminate in a successful sale. But closing a deal is not just about getting a signature or payment. It is about ensuring that the customer is satisfied and sees value in their purchase, so they become a repeat customer and even a referral source. Why is mastering these techniques so important? Sales are the lifeblood of any business, and many of us struggle with it. Without sales, you do not have revenue, and without revenue, you cannot sustain or grow your business. It is as simple as that. Now that we know what we're talking about, let us dive into some practical steps you can take to improve your sales techniques and close more deals. Step 1, understand your customer's needs. One of the most effective sales techniques is truly understanding your customer's needs. This means actively listening to what they're saying and asking questions that dig deeper into their pain points or desires. Start by asking open-ended questions like, what challenges are you facing with your current solution or situation? Or what are you looking to achieve with this product or service? For my clients, I always ask about their goals and objectives, their whys. This encourages your customer to share more about their situation, giving you valuable information that you can use to tailor your pitch. When you understand your customer's needs, you can position your product or service as the perfect solution, which makes them more likely to buy. It also builds trust, as the customer feels that you are genuinely interested in helping them, not just making a sale. Tailoring your pitch to each customer increases the likelihood of closing the deal, leading to more sales and ultimately higher profitability. Additionally, satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat customers and sell your products for you, boosting your revenue over time. Step 2, communicate value clearly. Once you understand what your customer needs, the next step is to communicate how your product or service meets those needs. This is where you highlight the benefits, not just the features. Instead of just listing what your product does, focus on how it will make the customer's life better. For example, if you are selling accounting software, do not just talk about its features. Explain how it will save them time, reduce errors, and give them peace of mind knowing their finances are in order. When customers see the value of what you're offering, they are more inclined to make a purchase. This clarity helps eliminate doubts and objections, smoothing the path to closing the deal. Communicating value clearly can also justify a higher price point, meaning you can charge more for your product or service, thereby increasing your profit margins. Step 3, Handle objections confidently. No matter how great your product or service is, you will likely face objections from potential customers. These could be concerns about price, doubts about results, or even hesitation to change from their current solution. Anticipate common objections and prepare responses that address them directly. For example, if a customer thinks your product is too expensive, explain the long-term savings or the superior quality they will get compared to cheaper alternatives. The key here is to remain calm and confident, showing that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy. Successfully handling objections can be the difference between losing a sale and closing a deal. It shows the customer that you are committed to solving their problems, which can help overcome their resistance. Overcoming objections effectively can lead to more closed deals, meaning more sales and increased revenue. Plus, customers who feel their concerns were addressed are more likely to be satisfied and refer others to your business. Number 4 and final step, build relationships and follow up. Sales are not always immediate. Sometimes a customer needs to think or might not be ready to buy right away. This is where building relationships and follow-up comes in. After your initial conversation, send a follow-up email or give them a call to see if they have any more questions. Stay in touch with them by sharing useful information or updates about your product or service. The goal is to stay on their radar without being pushy. Building relationships increases the likelihood that a customer will eventually choose your product or service when they are ready to buy. It also lays the foundation for long-term customer loyalty, which is invaluable for sustained business growth. Strong customer relationships lead to repeat business, referrals, and positive reviews, all of which leads to higher sales and greater profitability. So, why are these sales techniques so crucial to your business's success? Firstly, they directly impact your ability to generate revenue. The better you are at selling, the more deals you close and the more money you make. But beyond that, effective sales techniques help you build a strong customer base, which is essential for long-term growth. Sales techniques are also closely tied to your brand's reputation. Customers who have a positive sales experience are more likely to recommend your business to others. Word of mouth referrals are incredibly powerful. I cannot say this enough, especially for small businesses, because they carry a level of trust that traditional advertising cannot match. Finally, mastering sales techniques gives you a competitive edge. In today's market, consumers have way more choices than ever. By effectively selling your product or service, you set yourself apart from competitors and position your business as the go-to solution. Let us not forget the importance of having clear processes in place. Sales is not just about charm or luck. It is about having a structured approach that you can repeat and refine over time. Here are 3 steps on how to create and follow a sales process. Number 1, map out the sales journey. Start by identifying the key stages in your sales process, from the first contact with a potential customer to closing the deal. Close your eyes, picture what you want it to look like, and make a list. Number 2, develop scripts and tools. Prepare scripts, presentation, and other tools that can help you stay consistent in your messaging. Get help from Google. Many templates exist, so you do not have to reinvent the wheel. And number 3, measure and refine. Track your success rates at each stage of the process. If you notice that you are losing customers at a particular point, analyze why and adjust. Always look for ways to adjust. Regardless of experience and confidence, by following a well-defined sales process, you are more likely to close deals consistently. This consistency leads to steady revenue, which is essential for maintaining and growing your business. A refined process also allows you to train others in your business so you are not the only one driving sales, which can significantly scale your profitability. That is a wrap for this episode. But wait, do not leave yet. Here is what I want you to do. Take some time to assess your current sales approach. Are you truly understanding your customers' needs? Are you communicating clearly the value of what you are offering? Are you handling objections confidently and following up effectively? And most importantly, do you have a solid process in place that you can rely on to drive consistent results? If the answer to any of these questions is no, it is time to make some changes. Start by implementing the techniques we discussed today. Practice them, refine them, and make them a core part of your business strategy. And of course, if you need help, do not hesitate to reach out to Epigram Consulting Services. We are here to help you master the art of selling so you can grow your business and achieve the success you deserve. Thank you for tuning in to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not already done so, click the notification button for twice weekly content. We post on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with effective sales techniques, please leave a comment below or email us. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content for you and others. Your feedback and insights are always welcome. Also, what topics would you like me to discuss in the future? How can I help you? Epigram Consulting Services offers business coaching, strategy consulting, marketing solutions, and much more. You can always contact us if you need more practical solutions for your business. See our website details in the description below and in our bio. We're also on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for staying with me. Continue creating your business masterpiece.